Welcome to our channel, EM Upholstery Technology, where we are demystifying the installation process for your leather kits. It's not that difficult. Guys, visit our website, LeatherTech by EM Upholstery Technology, or go directly to EM Upholstery Technology. We have these kits available for you to take home, office, or workplace and do the installation yourself. Or you can come to San Bernardino. We can help you here to do the installation. So let's dive in. Hey guys, we're gonna be removing the door panel so we can do the trimming in this section right here. This is the cloth. This is the 2019 Dodge Ram. This is the 2500 series, and we are demystifying the installation process for the upholstery in your leather kits. And let's dive into this one. All you're gonna use is something like this. It's sharp. It's just to remove this clip in the corner. The clip remover, and a number 3 Phillips screwdriver or drill bit. Now guys, the challenge here is, well, first we want to remove this corner, just like that. Now right here, you got on top, one top, another top in the other corner of the top section, and the bottom is just a little tab that holds into place. So let's, just like that, it falls into the floor, but basically that was the molding, holding or covering that screw. Now, when it comes to these clips, these are a two-part clips. So the first part is just this like screw section, and the second part is the holder then goes into the door. So this is the two-part clip. Now it has like 6 all around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're gonna remove the number 3 Phillips. And after we remove the clips, all we have to do is pull it up and it will release the clips, and we just have to remove the connector for the switch. So let me remove these clips. And guys, if you have questions, put it in the comments. I'll be happy to help you. And again, go to leathertech.com so you can buy your kits for EM Upholstery Technology. Okay, we have all the clips out. Now we want to lift the door. And we have the connector right here. And that's your door panel removal. So I'm going to be continuing the next video in the next chapter on the bench, so you can see how we remove the little insert and how it's trimmed. Like and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you in the next chapter. Hey guys, we are back and we are demystifying the installation process. In this case, your 2019 Dodge Ram. I just demonstrate how to take the panels off, but if you have issues with this piece, all you have to do is remove it, so you will have more space for the handle to move. Okay, so let's remove the insert. And basically you have all these screws. They're T20s. All we're gonna do is pry slightly here and slightly here so we can release the insert. And this is the little piece. Now, for the trimming, guys, if you fold the material over this piece, it's gonna increase in size. So when you try to put it in here, it can be oversized. So the way we address this issue, we're gonna cut all around with a blade, and then we can wrap it in our vinyl or leather. So we put it back on, put the screws back in, and that will be the completion of the panel. We just reverse the installation process or the removal process so it can be installed. And that's more or less what it is. So I think I'm gonna make a third video so I can demonstrate the cutting and the wrapping of the pieces. And then I'm gonna install it so you can see exactly how it's done. So it's not that difficult, guys. Like and subscribe. Questions, please put it in the comments. Visit leathertech.com. Buy your leather kits at emupholsterytechnology.com. Okay, guys, we're gonna prep this piece. It's gonna look something like this when it's ready. And as you see, we remove the edge. That will be more easy to insert it back into the panel. So all you need is a blade, a little pick tool, and some pliers. And we're gonna go like this. There you have it, guys. This is the part is already prepped. Can you do it without this? Yes, you can, but you're gonna struggle to install it, and the finish might be Not that good. It will look ugly because it's gonna create bumps around the edge. So it's up to you guys. I'll recommend to go this way. Now the next process is gonna be to put adhesive in our piece and then adhesive all around, grab it, put it back into place. I'll demonstrate that in the next chapter. And if you have questions, please put it in the comments. Okay, we are in the last step for the door panel inserts, guys. And again, we have our piece with adhesive already. That's the vinyl. We have this already made. So I'm gonna show you how it is. So now that it's clean, we're gonna stretch this end just like that. Stretch it this way like that. Fold it over slightly this side like this. Go to the other side. Guys, this is not a studio production. This is everyday clients, everyday work right here at EM Upholstery Technology. I'm gonna make this cut over here like this. So we don't try to make you waste your time. If there is something that is useful, we go straight to it. We cut that one right there. Now I wanna do the perimeter. You leave about 3/8, about 1/4 in the corners. Between 1/4 to 3/8 all around. And you just fold it, guys. Just like that. Now here in the corners, I'm gonna use a spatula just to press down and make this corner flat and even. There you have it, guys. That's your panel. Now what we're gonna do is put it back into the door, just like so. And guys, because we removed the edge in the beginning, we prepped this piece. Now it went in so easily, no big deal. Just gonna put the screws back on. Sure. Try it. Okay. So we have one set of 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, that's right. And the last step is to do the installation, which is backwards from the removal. And if you have questions, please put it in the chat. I want to help. And that's your insert for the 2019 Dash Ram 2500 or any other RAM from that model. It will be the same process, no difference. Like and subscribe, guys. Visit us at leathertech.com, emupholsterytechnology.com. Get your kits. We're going to be having a specialty products that are exclusively from us. You cannot buy anywhere else. And that goes for the Toyotas, the Tacamas, some of the Tundras. We have few other extras for Jeep, the Wranglers, the Saharas. We have our specialty products, which are not available anywhere else but from us. Visit, like, and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you in the final step, which is gonna be the showcase of the whole work.